What's up, Skywatchers? What is up indeed? Friday, October 4th, 2024. All right, before we get started, I want to take a moment for Tennessee and North Carolina. Guys, we know what they did. We know why they did it. They wanted your land and you wouldn't give it to them, so they took it. Now, I'm pretty sure most of us know hurricanes do not move in 300 miles offshore and take aim at the mountains. Actually, that's where you go to get away from such events. Let this be a lesson for the rest of us. These events can and will strike anywhere, from heat domes in the north and sub-zero temperatures in the south, and every seemingly natural disaster. But we know the dark occult scientists have harnessed the power of nature and turned it into a weapon. These events are not natural, but rather planned, engineered, and unleashed. I've demonstrated this time after time. We are in a cycle, the cycle of destruction by technology, and we've seen this before from Atlantis to the mud floods of Tartaria. This is how great resets have happened many times. The controllers will always give you the natural cycles and the science to match. What they want you to see, the history they want you to believe, and the hardest part of all this was unlearning everything I was taught. But once I did, I was able to see. Alright guys, we have a geomagnetic storm alert. The KP index is expected to rise to 7. Will we see them here in the lower 48? When I look at the Aurora forecast model, I don't think so, but this could be a great opportunity for these scientists to crank up Super Darn, NextRad, HARP, and by releasing atmospheric aerosols and heating regions of the atmosphere, they can create artificial auroras and artificial air glow easily. Now, we have seen this a number of times in the last couple of years, and once again, this is not part of a natural cycle. Alright, now over to strange sounds in the sky. More dark occult self-fulfilling prophecy. We do know why this happens.
You can hear that, right?
Yeah, what is this?
I've got no idea.
We know why this happens, and it's amazing how much climate science and other theoretical science we can attribute to weather warfare. So much so, it destroys all other narratives. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Facility makes noise in the sky by sending a 3.6 milliwatt signal into the ionosphere. The signal can be continuous or pulsed, and it operates in the 2.8 to 10 megahertz region of the high frequency band. One of the many capabilities of HARP include generating very low frequency radio waves by modulating and heating of the auroral electrojet, generating artificial air glow. Guys, they no longer need HARP to accomplish this. They can now do this with local facilities in all of our regions. Now, I'd like to thank Alex Hammer, Someone, Tammy Dennis, and Andy for buying me a coffee. Thanks for helping to support the channel. I couldn't keep this going without you guys. Much love and many thanks. And for everyone that hits that like button and shares these videos, thank you. All right, my friends, until next time, stay aware, be prepared, and keep looking up.